The assassin, or kill pawn, is a blood chess piece denoted by the symbol right here above my thumb. Rule states, place kill pawn behind one card on the board. Once kill pawn is moved to your allies, kill up to 2 random recruits and move 1 random neutral area card to your recruits. Remove effect once in the allies or if card is killed. So on my last turn, I placed this behind my 6. And so now it's my turn again because our opponent is gone. So I'm going to take this 4 because that'll allow me with the +2 brown to move this into allies so I can trigger its effect. I also take this because I can move the 7 up because I have to kill 2 recruits. So 2 draws. Ooh, -5. All right. And now so I'll do the kill pawn, which will do kill 2 of these, do a quick shuffle, and we'll take these 2. And I didn't get the 7, but that's still fine because I'm going to give a random one of these. All right. Okay, so I'll take this one. All right, 7, I'll take that. And, well, that is all that is done with this.